everyone. I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. I sure did. My son spent some time on this, and I got some paint on it and some decals on it and got the red on it. But he's really excited about me building this one. So he's kind of helping me a little here and a little there. But it's really my build. I'm building it, but with his involvement and his help. But he'll get like 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there, and I'll let him spray the airbrush on it a little bit and have some fun with it. And I put the decals on and everything. But this one's getting ready for clear, so I'm kind of working on that. But also, besides that, I also picked this kit up, which this is something that I wouldn't normally get involved in. But this is just a car that I really like, this 71, 72 Roadrunner, and this kit came out, and I knew it was coming out, and I wanted it. And it's limited to 2,500 copies, so I know it's a pretty limited one. And I haven't built a Salvinos Jr. JR model. And, this is the second one I bought. Also got the 71 Charger and primer. But, and I know other people are building this on YouTube. But if you want to see me build it, let me know. I'm going to build it anyway, just not sure when I'm going to do it. But if you want to see me build this on the channel, yeah, let me know. So I'll do it, even though others I know are. But of course, we all build a little bit different, and I don't really do race cars like this very often. So even though I really like this particular car, and I have some of the other Richard Petty kits as well in my collection, and but I just like his cars and some of the history that goes along with it. So, but this particular one, I had to have it, so I went and picked this up, and ordered it, I should say, not really picked it up. But anyway, it's one that I like, and kind of itching to build it, but I don't really need to start another project. But you know how that is. But you guys just let me know, and we'll move on from there. So not really much of a teaser for what's going on this weekend, just kind of showing you some of the stuff that I got going on and playing with. This, much like you guys, I don't sit still and bounce around quite a bit from project to project. So you guys, I will see you this Saturday, and we'll have some more fun then.